Once upon a time, in the heart of the Golden Desert, lived a tiny, hopping creature named Jerry the Jerboa. Jerry was unique among all the desert animals, with long hind legs and a small body. He could jump high and run fast, leaping over sand dunes with ease. Every day, Jerry would run and play, exploring the vast expanse of the desert. He loved the warmth of the sun on his back and the cool sand beneath his feet. One day, Jerry found a strange, glowing stone. It was unlike anything he had ever seen before. He picked it up and it felt warm and smooth in his tiny paws. As he held the stone, he felt a strange sensation. He could see colors and shapes in his mind that he had never seen before. It was a magical stone. Jerry was so excited to show his friends the magical stone. He ran back to his home, leaping over sand dunes and skimming across the desert floor. When he arrived, his friends couldn't believe their eyes. The colors and shapes that Jerry showed them were breathtaking. They had never seen anything so beautiful. From that day on, Jerry and his friends would use the magical stone to create beautiful patterns and pictures in the sand. They would share their creations with all the animals of the desert, bringing joy and wonder to everyone who saw them. And as the sun set each day, Jerry would hold the magical stone close to his heart, feeling grateful for the amazing adventures it brought him and his friends. He knew that as long as he had the magical stone, the desert would always be a magical place. And so, Jerry the Jerboa and his magical stone lived happily in the heart of the Golden Desert, bringing joy and wonder to all who saw them. The end.